Is your C drive full on Windows 11 and your PC is crawling to a halt because of it? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix that C drive full on Windows 11, step by step, so you can reclaim all those gigabytes back from wasted space, just within minutes. And if you're worried about losing files during the cleanup process, then stick around because at the end of this video, I've got a safety net just for you. Now, let's get into it. Your C drive gets eaten on a daily basis by some usual suspects, such as temporary files, hibernation data, the recycle bin, Windows Update leftovers, and even bloated system restore points. But the good news is that all of this data is very safe to delete, and even Windows has built-in tools to do this deletion for you. You just have to know where to look. First, let's press the Windows key, then type this cleanup, and then hit enter. Let it scan, then check every box in the list: temporary internet files, recycle bin, thumbnails, and so on. Hit OK, and then delete files to confirm. Now, these alone can free up anywhere from 2 to 15 gigabytes, especially after a major Windows update. Go to Settings, then System, then Storage, and then toggle on Storage Since. Click into it and set it to run automatically every week, and configure it to delete temporary files and also empty the recycle bin on a schedule. Now, these will keep the problem from coming back without you having to do anything. Are you still tight on space? Then back in Settings, System, and then Storage, scroll down and click on Other or Temporary Files to drill into what's taking up the room. Now, for large personal files, it's probably videos, project folders, and downloads. Consider moving them into an external hard drive or a secondary partition so you can keep the C drive clean and functioning well. If your disk has unlocated space or a secondary partition with room to spare, then you can actually grow the C drive. So right-click on Start, then Disk Management, and now right-click your C drive and select Extend Volume. Then follow the wizard, and this is a great long-term fix for a C drive that has no space available. Aggressive cleanup or partition changes can carry a real risk, because one wrong move and all your important files can vanish. But this is where Wondershare Recoverit comes in very handy, and you can find it on the description link down below. It recovers accidentally deleted files, lost partitions, data from a crashed system, and even files wiped from the recycle bin. It supports 1000 plus file types across hard drives, SSDs, USB drives, and external hard drives. And everything runs locally on your machine. Nothing gets uploaded anywhere. So if you ever have a hard drive not show up after a partition change, then Wondershare Recoverit is perfect because it has its lost partition recovery tool implemented in it. And it truly is the go-to tool for any full data recovery process when things go sideways, even including hard disk or hard drive repairs. So to recap all of this video, run system cleanup including system files, turn on Storage Since, move large files from the C drive, and extend your partition if you have any unlocated space available. And these are all the easy fixes for this issue. And if you haven't already, drop your own questions in the comments down below. We'll answer every single one. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. We'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.